Welcome to Gen Z vs Workplace Rules, a modern perspective on job expectations and leadership dynamics. In this presentation, we explore how today's younger workforce is reshaping what it means to thrive professionally, and what that means for managers trained in another era. Let's begin with the shift in workplace culture. Gen Z values mental health, balance, and meaningful work. They speak up and won't hesitate to quit if things don't align. In contrast, older generations often believe in sticking it out, valuing loyalty and endurance, even when it means sacrificing personal well-being. Gen Z has seen global instability, from economic crashes to pandemic-era layoffs. They've witnessed the toll of burnout and are determined to break the cycle. For them, quitting isn't weakness. It's strength. It's saying, "I deserve better." Now consider the supervisors. Many of them were trained to endure. They stayed late, kept silent, and believed that's what success required. So when Gen Z pushes back or leaves quickly, it feels like rebellion. But what if it's simply progress? This isn't a clash, it's a correction. Gen Z is forcing us to rethink how we treat people at work. They're rejecting toxic norms, promoting mental well-being, and challenging managers to lead with empathy. It's not rebellion, it's a reboot. Let's ask the right question. Not, why can't Gen Z follow the rules, but, are these rules even fair anymore? If a system no longer serves the people in it, maybe it's time to write new ones. Together. This isn't about entitlement. It's about evolution. Gen Z is changing what we accept. Supervisors must unlearn survival mode leadership. Growth comes not from holding on, but from letting go, and listening. A better workplace begins with understanding.